Hi kids, welcome back to Kids Edu Hub. Today we are going to learn the words starting with the alphabet C.
Hi kids, I am the alphabet C.
C for cat. C for car. C for camel. This is a cow. This is a cup. This is a cake. This is a clock. C for chocolate. This is a camera. What is this? This is a cactus. This is a circle. This is a crocodile. This is C for chef. C for cruise. This is a cloud. This is a cookie. C for chair. This is a computer. This is a city. Thank you for watching, kids. Subscribe to ABC Kids Fun channel for more videos. Bye.